Don't laugh. That could have been catastrophic. Okay. Well, this side's missing those caps, so I bet this is going to be a joy. I'm right in your way again anyway. I apologize for that. Yeah, I gotta get used to not getting in front of the camera. I'm used to doing this stuff by myself and not people watching. I mean, as it's recorded, it's just the camera watching me, but yeah, that's jacked up. Yeah, look at this side. Look how that focus. Yeah, that's pretty gnarly. That definitely needs. That might have to go on the wire wheel. Yeah, those little caps I was talking about. I can cover these up. So what happens when them caps on our shell? Rusted that out. Man, what's that? Yeah. It is pretty nasty. I hope this caliper will move. Oh yeah, it's moving. I'll show you what's going on this side. It's because that caliper wasn't, or them slides were jacked up. That's why you gotta make sure them slides are clean. I'll show you. I'll show you what happens. Those slides ain't good. I don't like this. This is the pad from the front. You know where that is? Yeah. Ain't to the rivets yet. Now, check this out. This is the pad from the back. When them slides are not cleaned and greased before you put it back in there, this is what'll happen. These pads should be almost identical wear. I'll show you both pads from the other side. Now, I know it was down to the metal, but look, they're both wore together. The slides were working fine. So the slides, you always, and here's the other side. Yeah, this is the side we just took off. If you don't clean those up and grease them, you won't get even wear. Alright, we'll clean it. one. I don't know if you can see it though. They're fitted up pretty good. You see them fits? Yeah, that's caps are missing. All right. I think somebody had this side apart before. This stuff is loose. I haven't had it apart. I've only had this car almost 4 years. Well, now I kind of realize why it's. I forgot to mention the oil seal, axle seal on this side is leaking. And I meant to do the axle bearings and seals on both sides while I did this, so I didn't have to tear it apart twice. But my brakes couldn't hold off any longer, and I gotta get the bearings and seals. Those are about $50 to $60 a side. Yeah, that's. Yeah, see how nicely lubed that is? That's awesome stuff. I get my bearings and seals for these rear axles. We'll be coming back to this. I sure wish I would have had that stuff. Now, I could take 4 bolts out right now. Back here it holds the plate in for the axle. Take those 4 bolts, pull this out. Cut that collar off. Get the bearing off. Get the seal off. Put the new seal on. Put the new bearing in. And then press the collar back down on there. Be done. But I don't have that done. I don't have the parts yet. Oh well. It's all Jeeped up. Let me say something. Let's clean this up. Somebody's gonna let me do that, weren't they? Oh, anti-swedes. Yeah, people always made fun of people that talk to themselves, right? Well, you know what? You know what I'm doing right now? Talking to the camera, but eventually you guys will see this, so I'm actually talking to you, but if I never put this on YouTube, I'm talking to nobody but a camera. Kind of crazy, ain't it? I'll tell you what, it's kind of fun talking to the camera. That's all slathered up. Let's put this dude on there. Oh, that's what we want. Hammer time. That dude there. Alright. This awesome piece back on. Hey, what are you doing down there? Back up. Might try and get away from me. See that? There he was. Might try and get away from me. You didn't know this has got axle grease on it. Anyway, put some silver stuff on it. Yeah. All right, we're back. A little grease on them. Grease this one up. All right, now we got to pull this dude out of there. Keep it. Change it out. All right. Out of there. I hope it didn't break off. Now put this dude on here. Yeah, let's see all the way through. They didn't break. So you put these dudes on before you put the caliper back in. Put that spring keeper back on there before you put the pads on there. Now, half to the back. Half to the front, just like the other side. Put it in there. And you slide. screwdriver. Handy dandy. Ah, you got to big ass screwdriver. Pay no attention to the rust spot.